YouTube? Trill Clips here, and I'm here with my first trick shotting video. Number 5. This trick shot here, you got the spam Y, close your eyes and shoot, 100% accuracy.
Number 4.
This clip, we got spin around Sally. Spin around, hit him, call him Sally. I'm not gonna lie, this clip actually scared the shit out of me. Don't demonetize me. Call this clip Houdini because simple. Watch and learn. Now you see me? Now you don't. And for number 1, the greatest clip of all time, I just call this one 202 meter snipe, something light, you feel? Well, that's the end to today's video. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Trill Clips.